Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix Elementor taking long to load or Elementor loading error. So to fix that, there are a couple of things you need to note and which can help you to get them fixed. So the first one, go to your Elementor, over needed, click settings. Then when you're in settings, scroll down, click advanced. When you're in advanced, check for switch editor load method. So this one, click it to enable. After enabling, save it. Then after saving, you can check now your website. Then the other option is to check on the updated plugins. Come to installed plugins. Check for the plugins which are not updated. Then you try to update them. Update the plugins, then you try. If it fails, try to check the corrupt plugins. How do you check this? Deactivate all the plugins. You can deactivate all the plugins. For example, here, come here, check all, then deactivate. But when you're deactivating, you leave Elementor and Elementor Pro if you have installed. Then you deactivate them. Once you have deactivated them, then start activating one by one until you activate one by one as you refresh the page to see if the loading is fixed. So if you find that the plugin you activated doesn't affect, you leave it active. Then you proceed activating one by one until you find the challenge. So once you find the challenge, then you can note that the above plugin, maybe it could be the one causing the error. So then you can ignore that one, then you move with the rest. Also, you can check, if that doesn't help, also check the theme, because always the theme can also affect, maybe it needs to be updated, like now this one here, you update it. If you update the theme and it doesn't work, try to change or try to activate a new theme and see if it will help you. Once it is activated, or if you check, you refresh, hope this can help you to fix that error. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.